Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today me, Vishal, going to present you the shop management app. So this app is a powerful application designed to streamline inventory and sales management for small scale to large scale businesses. Whether you are looking to manage your products stocks, recording their sales and generating insights from that. So this has all the things covered. So this inventory app is efficient, records sales seamlessly, imports and export data properly with CSV format. It has comprehensive reporting and visual dashboard. So let's get started. This app is built using Streamlit. For your references, I have kept some snapshots of this app. Let's straight away go to the dashboard. So this dashboard here, it's a very simple dashboard. It conveys the required information about the sales over the time and the top selling items. Here you can see the history of the total sales happened month. You can download the sales CSVs for your documentation purpose. Here is the screen where we can record our sales to our customer, where you can see that it generates a bill which you can print and download as well in PDF format. So this has a very cool feature of importing data. Let's say you have some data previously in CSV format which you can directly import it, and it's intelligent enough to understand whether it's a stock data or it's a selling items data. So here you can update or add new items. Okay, so let's start the demo. To start the demo, I'll first start app with the command streamlit run app.py. As this app is built using Streamlit, you need to install the Streamlit on your machine. So here you see that currently in my system there is no data available. So I can simply add data from here, or I can simply import the data. So here you can upload files up to 200 MB, and later you can change it to any size you prefer. So first I imported the sales data, then I imported the stocks in our inventory. Then if you want to see them, you can view them here in view stock. You can also add more stocks or update the existing stock. Let's say I want to change this price to 3050 paise. I want to increase the quantity to 100 plus. Then it will be updated. So here you can see that stock will be updated for this thing. Okay, let's see. I want to do shopping. Let's say one customer comes, he wants some MacBooks. He wants 10 MacBooks for his store. Let's say I will put customer's name here. Then I'll provide customer's number. So here we go. The bill has been generated for the customer, and you can download this as well and print also. So you can see the print preview and print it. So you can see the dashboard of the sales items. Let's say you can see the sales over the time. So here you can see that how many items were purchased by the customer, and this is the sales over dashboard. So it will change with time, as currently we imported whole data, so it will show that today's date only, and wholesale belongs here. But when you do sales regularly to update the sales in this app, you will see a sales over time graph, and it can be changeable via code. Here you can disable it or enable it. Here also one more option is there. You can make it wide mode or dark mode. These options are in the box provided by Streamlit. So that's all. So in order to run this system, you need to install these packages: Streamlit, Pandas, Plotly, FPDF, and SQLite 3. So we have used SQLite 3 database here, and Plotly for plotting this graph, Pandas for showing the tables, and Streamlit is the framework we are using. FPDF is to print the bill, like exporting the bill in PDF format. So that's all here. I'll show you the main app file. If you want more detailed video on code review, on code understanding, where I will explain you the whole code, go through your doubts. So if you have any doubts, if you have any question, do you want code review, do you want whole code explanation, I'm here for you. Please comment down in this video. That's all for today. Thank you.